Now, how can you restart the iPhone with the side button? Well, you might have noticed that now when you hold down on the side button, it doesn't get you to the turn off screen, but it usually enables Siri. So in order to get it there, you not only need to hold down on the side button, you also need to press the volume down button at the very same time, right? So you press both buttons at the same time for a while, and this screen will appear. So in there, you can slide to power off your iPhone, and this is actually what we need to do. The iPhones do not have any restart feature built in. Obviously, some Android phones have that implemented, but it's not the case with the iPhone. So in order to just restart the iPhone, obviously you have to just swipe it to turn it off, and then you just have to wait a bit and press on the side button to turn the phone back on. And this is likely the only way how we can do this. As I say, there isn't any restart button anywhere inside of the phone, and this is what you are basically stuck with. So these are the options currently. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. So if you like what you see, if you like these straight to the point explanations and tutorials, most definitely stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss the future ones. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.